everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Andrew Beauchamp here. Today I have two things that I want to do. Number one is I want to harvest a bunch of this basil right here, and I want to make a basil sweet tea or iced tea. Number two is, well, the tea's brewing, I gotta harvest some vegetables. So let's get to it. I have a large mason jar here. I'm just gonna harvest some of these leaves. They do have to be plucked down anyways, so it's kind of a perfect time to do it. Of course, make sure to check the leaves for bugs. Okay, that looks like enough leaves. So while that tea's brewing, I have a bowl here. I'm just gonna harvest all of the dry pods, aka seeds, from the King Tut peas. Now I wanna collect as many seeds as I can from these because I'm gonna rip them out right after I'm done. Okay, now that that's done, the next thing I have to harvest is just some cherry tomatoes for dinner tonight. I don't have very many of them, but the ones that I have are very ripe and I'm sure are very sweet. This is also my first gold dipper that I've gotten so far this year, but the plant is loaded with them. I'm just about to go harvest some cucumbers here, but I want to show you first these beautiful squash. I have two there. I have another one down here. This is a different variety with the green stripe. So excited for these. Yum. But as for this beautiful cucumber, you're coming in right now. Beautiful. Nope, there's another good sized one right here. I'm gonna take you too. Now that I have those few things harvested, I am going to strain my tea and make my iced tea because I am thirsty. It's much better than I expected it to be. Now, I don't know if I would drink this on its own. I think putting a slice of lemon in this would just make it great, because this is just the brew that we just made and a little bit of simple syrup, 50% sugar, 50% water, and then ice. And you know what? That's really good for being leaf water. That's really good. Okay, I also wanted to say I was also gonna pull carrots today, but for dinner I don't need that many carrots. My nieces and nephew were over the other day. I don't know if you guys remember, a few videos ago my niece pulled a bunch of carrots. Well, her siblings got a little bit angry that they didn't get to pull any on camera, so I'm gonna leave you guys with the footage of my nieces and nephew pulling up carrots. I really hope you guys enjoy, because definitely my favorite part about being in the garden is having the kids over and letting them experience the garden and have pleasure from it. So enjoy the video. Till next time, stay harvesting. Go.
Are these orange over here?
They are orange carrots.
Can I pick one?
You absolutely can.
Let's pick one. Never mind.
Whoa, look at that size of carrot.
Oh, that's a good one. 3, 2,
Whoa!
A purple carrot.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
That one.
That one's weird.
Look at those.
There's one that looks really big.
You can try to pull
This
it.
one looks really good. And this
Oh
one
my
looks
goodness,
so
yeah,
nice.
look at that.
Really small. That one looks
That
like
one's a good
alien
size.
hand. That looks like, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A hand. An alien hand.
Too hard.
This looks definitely like an alien hand. I'm gonna do it. Oh, the dirt's going all over me.
Whoa! Good job, Charlotte. Look at that. Should we go? Should we go wash these off?
Oh, wait, yeah. I'll pick some more.
You're gonna pick some more. Okay. Oh, is that a white carrot?
I picked two.
That's all right. Is that a white carrot?
Yeah?
Looks white.
Oh, didn't plant white carrots. That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Uncle Andrew. Uncle Andrew, they look like little cat ears.
Did you?